Want your photos to have more detail and better lighting? Enabling Smart HDR on your iPhone camera can make your shots look stunning. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to enable Smart HDR for your iPhone camera. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the camera settings. Here, find the Smart HDR option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to the Smart HDR option to turn it on. The switch will move to the right and change color to green, indicating that Smart HDR is now enabled. And this is how you can enable Smart HDR for iPhone camera. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.